We're sure that your home or workplace has dozens, if not hundreds, of electrical or data cables. Keeping them coiled up and organized not only looks nice, but it helps the overall longevity of the cable. The first thing to remember is that cables have a natural coil to them. If you fight them and twist them opposite of their coil, you could also end up twisting the copper wiring too. After a long period of doing it incorrectly, you could also end up fraying the cable, which can be dangerous. A frayed cable means the cable is cut or pinched, exposing the wires. If this happens, you could shock yourself. Wrapping your cables up neatly can keep them loose and less likely to develop tight spots or knots. The proper way of wrapping any sort of cable is called the over and under. In this practice, you twist the cable in one direction to make the coil, and then untwist to make the next. You repeat this until the cable is neatly coiled. A simple way to remember it is to place your hand over the cable and then under the cable. For lengths of 50 feet and longer, we recommend using a cable organizer. Aside from keeping your cables wrapped up nicely, there are a few more safety tips to follow. Obviously, keep cords out of a footpath. This will prevent tripping and fraying. Make sure there's no crimping or nothing is pinching the cord like tight spaces, staples, or nails. If there's a puncture, it creates the potential for a shock or fire. With these simple steps, you can improve the life of your power cables. Please check out our website to read informative blogs about similar topics and to see our various adapters and cords for your power solution needs. Check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.